Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about, does size matter? Particularly, does thickness matter? Are you shopping for vinyl flooring, but you're feeling kind of stuck on one particular question? How thick should it be? If you are, then you are not alone, because a lot of people come through the store asking this particular question. And with this little detail about thickness, makes a huge difference in the overall comfort, the durability, and even the soundproofing of the home. In today's video, we're cutting through the confusion with a simple no-nonsense guide to vinyl floor thickness. And if you stick around to the end, you'll leave with the confidence to choose the perfect floor for your space. So what makes thickness so important? You might be thinking, does a millimeter here, a millimeter there even matter? It's just so small. But trust me, it really does. Vinyl flooring thickness impacts three things: durability, how it feels under your foot, how much noise it absorbs, and generally speaking, thicker vinyl lasts longer. It will feel softer and it will keep things quieter, especially in busy homes and busy apartments. So let's break it down. Think of it like this. Imagine your floors surviving years of pets, years of kids, and years of moving furniture around to relay out your home, because I know I have. So here are the problems with thin vinyl flooring. Let's start with what happens when your floor is too thin. It's more likely to scratch, more likely to dent, and even echo when you take every step. Imagine pacing around in the kitchen and hearing every single little click and clatter. A thin vinyl might save you money up front, but over time, it'll cost you in replacements and, most importantly, your peace of mind. No one wants floors that feel hollow or wear out in just a few years. So let's see how thicker vinyl solves these issues. How thick should your vinyl flooring be? Really depends on the room and the amount of foot traffic you're getting there. Like guest bedrooms, thinner vinyls are okay, it'll work just fine. But for higher traffic areas like kitchens, living rooms, you want something a little bit more durable. And for commercial spaces, you should go as thick as you can possibly go. Now for 4 millimeters thick, it's good for guest bedrooms, spaces that don't really see much action. Damn! Right? For 6 millimeters, I would say 5 to 6, good for moderate traffic areas. It's durable and comfortable, but it's not the greatest for very high traffic areas. And then if you're going for a high traffic area, such as a rustling, bustling home, commercial space, areas with constant traffic, it's really ideal for those things, especially offices or retail spaces. There is more to vinyl thickness than meets the eye. When you're choosing vinyl, there are two thicknesses to know: the total thickness and the wear layer thickness. The total thickness is the overall comfort and the soundproofing, including that underpad, while the wear layer is your floor's armor against scratches and dents. If you want your floors to last, pay close attention to that wear layer, as it's actually what's in protecting your investment. So think of your wear layer as your floor's superhero cape. Let's see how these layers actually impact the flooring's lifespan. So here are some tips to maximize your flooring's lifespan. 1. Invest into a thicker and higher quality floor, especially that wear layer. It is worth every penny down the road. 2. Protect the high traffic zones. Use area rugs, furniture pads to prevent normal wear and tear throughout the years over time, and trust me, it will make a difference. 3. Regular cleaning. Most people don't know this, but dust and dirt act like sandpaper to your floors. So to prevent that, sweep regularly to keep your floors looking fresh for longer. And lastly, but not very obvious, is sun protection. Too much sunlight can cause your vinyls to fade in their color over time. So use curtains or UV blocking blinds to prevent this. So is thickness important for vinyl flooring? I say absolutely. From a durability standpoint, a comfort standpoint, and even a soundproofing standpoint. Getting that right thickness is the key to a floor you'll actually end up loving for years, or you end up hating for years. But if you want to learn a little bit more about the thickness of the vinyl to the other factors of the home, such as the subfloor, then check out this other video. As always, leave a comment or visit us in store, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video to anybody looking to upgrade their flooring, and I'll see you guys next time.